Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I'll be introducing an amazing all-in-one editing tool that combines multiple features in one place. So, without further delay, let's get started. The tool I'm talking about is Flexclip, an online editor packed with plenty of powerful features, all accessible in one platform. You can simply search for Flexclip on Google and sign up for free to get started. Once you log in, the interface is intuitive and user-friendly. Let's take a quick tour of its key features. The first option in the sidebar is Create a Video. This allows you to start a video project from scratch. Click on Create a Video, select your desired resolution, and a new blank project will open up. From there, you can start building your video by adding clips, images, text, and more. Then we have templates. These are pre-designed video projects that make editing incredibly simple. Choose a template that suits your needs. You can also search for specific templates using the search bar. There's a wide range of options to choose from for various types of content. And all you have to do is replace the placeholder content with your own. For example, you can change the logo, images, or text, and your video will be ready in minutes. Flexclip includes several built-in AI-powered tools that save time and enhance creativity. Let's explore some of them. Upload an image. Provide a simple text prompt. Select a style. And click Generate. In just a few seconds, Flexclip will transform your image into a stunning AI-generated artwork. Type a descriptive prompt. Adjust the style settings and hit Generate. The more specific your prompt, the better the output. Within seconds, your custom AI-generated image will be ready. This is one of the most practical features for content creators. Import your video, select the language, and choose between scene or audio detection. Then, pick a subtitle style from the many available options and click Generate. After a short processing time, your captions will be ready. You can also adjust the spacing or timing directly from the timeline. For those who prefer not to use their own voice, this feature is a lifesaver. Select a language and choose the voice from the available options. Type your script, click Generate, and Flexclip will create a professional quality audio file for your video. The background remover tool is incredibly handy for turning images into transparent PNGs. Import an image, click on AI removal, and Flexclip will remove the background in seconds. One of the most exciting features, upload the original photo and the photo you want to replace the face with. Click Generate and the AI will seamlessly swap the faces. The results are surprisingly realistic. This is my personal favorite. Import an image, set the upscale size 2x, and click Generate. After processing, you'll see a clearer and more detailed version of your image. And that's a wrap for today's video. Flexclip is truly a powerful tool with so many features designed to make editing faster and easier. I highly recommend giving it a try. If you found this video helpful, please leave your feedback in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Also follow me on my socials if you need help with editing or have work inquiries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.